Okay, see children, we have the next question, that is fifth one. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder. Shape of the container is circular cylinder having diameter 12. Diameter is 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 and diameter 6 having a hemispherical shape at the top. Number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream we have to tell. Okay? Let's draw the figure. A container we have shaped like a cylinder. ठीक है, उसमें क्या है, आइसक्रीम भरी हुई है, that is full of ice cream. So let's draw the cylindrical container. Do not imagine the ice cream, imagine the cylinder and the cones to be filled out. It says a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12. So radius will be 6 and height is 15. We can mark the dimensions. This is 15, diameter being 12, radius will be 6 centimeter. ठीक है, फिर आपसे कहता है it's full of ice cream. This ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 and of diameter 6. अब इन्हें भरना है हमें इस आइसक्रीम को निकालकर कोन्स में. Dimensions of cones are also given. Cones of height 12 and diameter 6. Diameter 6, so radius will be 3 and height of the cone is 12. ठीक है, it has a hemisphere also at the top. खाते हो ना आप आइसक्रीम तो ऐसा ही तो ऊपर से पूरा फिल्ड हेमिस्फेयर आता है. So it says that having a hemispherical shape on the top, find the number of such cones. Hemisphere का जो radius होगा that will be same as the radius of the cone. ठीक है, I hope the question is clear. This ice cream is to be filled into cones of this dimension having a hemispherical top. We have to tell number of cones that can be filled out. ठीक है, so we'll consider that n cones can be filled out. Let n cones can be filled. Now what is actually happening? Number of cones that we are filling we have taken as n and we are using this ice cream only which is there in the cylinder, है ना. तो volume of n cones should be equal to volume of cylinder because आप कहीं और से तो आइसक्रीम ला नहीं रहे. You are using this ice cream only to fill out the cones, making a hemispherical top also. So we'll write let n cones can be filled, then volume of ice cream in n cones should be equal to volume of the cylinder. ठीक है, then according to question क्या condition बनती है, volume of ice cream in n cones equal to volume of cylinder, क्योंकि cylinder का जितना volume है that will be the volume of ice cream in the cylinder. Now volume of ice cream in n cones will be equal to n times volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, because we don't have to fill it up to the brim, we have to fill it beyond that, making a hemisphere at the top. सिर्फ ब्रिम तक भरना होता तो केवल वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन आता, बट उसने कहा कि हेमिस्फेयर भी बनाना है. ठीक है, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर, इतना आइसक्रीम आप एक कोन में डाल रहे हो, राइट. So in n cones how much you will put? You will put n times of this and that should be equal to volume of cylinder. Let's solve the question. N times volume of cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. Well, dimensions of cone I have used. Volume of cone के लिए आप लेंगे 1/3 of pi r square h. R is 3, not 6. And height is 12. Fine. Plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube, that is 3 cube, is equal to volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, 6 square into 15. Now you can see throughout we can take pi common and cancel. यहाँ भी pi है, यहाँ भी pi है, तो पहला काम हम pi को cancel कर देते हैं. ठीक है. This is n times pi. 3 square is 9 into 12 because अच्छा इसको 4 कर लेते हैं 1/3 pi r square h. This is 9 4s are 36 plus थोड़ा थोड़ा कैंसिल भी करते जाते हैं ना. This will be 3 will go. 3 square is 9 2s are 18. Pi we have taken out. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन आपको समझ आई होगी आई होप. This 3 4s are 12, 9 into 4 is 36. Now it is 3 cube. So when you will divide by 3, it will remain 3 square only. 3 square, that is 9, 9 2s are 18. Is equal to pi times 6 6 are 36 into 15. Fine. Pi से pi आपका cancel हो गया. N will be equal to 36 into 15 by 54. So this will be 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 3, 5s are 5 2s are 10. तो कितने कोन्स हम भर सकते हैं? We can fill 10 cones. So 10 cones can be filled. ठीक है. Calculation is also very easy if you take the proper steps like taking pi common, cancelling out. अगर आप पाई का वैल्यू रखने लगोगे यहाँ तो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड टाइम कंज्यूमिंग कैलकुलेशन इट विल बिकम एंड दैट विल किल योर टाइम एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू solve the paper within the given time. All right, so to avoid this type of work, smart calculation you have to do. Fine.